Companies today employ a diverse range of systems to get work done. While individually, every system may be perfectly suited to its task, it can be difficult to maintain a complete picture of the product, and consequently, the enterprise across these systems that were not intended to talk to one another. What if you could capture a seamless flow of product data across each phase of your product lifecycle, weaving together every piece of CAD and all related data into a cohesive digital design? This is the digital thread. Using PTC's Windchill, a digital design of the high-level product is captured and represented by an overloaded bill of materials. The overloaded BOM is comprised of product data encompassing multi-CAD parts, including Creo, SolidWorks, CATIA, NX, and others, related documents, vendor information, and plant details which span multiple geographies. Windchill manages multi-CAD data and the associated complex relationships throughout the design process. For example, customer feedback is driving an engineering change to enlarge these saddlebags. Feedback has also led to the discovery that the current attachment process for the saddlebags is a point of failure. Tracking and managing changes is critical. Without a comprehensive, connected system, changes can be lost, misapplied, or miscommunicated between upstream and downstream contributors and reviewers. Windchill provides a platform for standardized change management processes which reduce scrap, eliminates rework, and increases first-pass yield rates. The saddlebags are provided through a supplier. Windchill allows sharing only the necessary content with the supplier, assuring the protection of key intellectual property. Creo View can be used to mark up the supplier's native SolidWorks CAD data to provide visual confirmation of exactly what changes are needed. As part of the change process, the existing SolidWorks data, along with other related content, are shared with the supplier. The current design, BOM data, multi-CAD, and related documents are being reused, sharing out only the necessary content with the supplier. Windchill understands the SolidWorks relationships and dependencies, ensuring the integrity of the models and the design BOM. The association between CAD models and the BOM enables organizations to scale at an enterprise level, connecting the digital design and weaving the digital thread into a physical product. The supplier works natively in SolidWorks to make the requested changes to enlarge the saddlebags. Once the design modifications are complete, the new design is checked in, and because Windchill is tracking these changes, additional related content is also automatically checked in. Now that the saddlebag design has been updated, changes are reviewed and resulting updated and related content are taken from the supplier project and included back into PDM. With Windchill managing the process, the data has been shared out to the supplier, then seamlessly included back into the complete snowmobile design. Work continues, updating the SolidWorks data to resolve the saddlebag mounting issue. As the final change is reviewed, effectivity is applied to all the associated content, thereby solidifying a specific date when manufacturing will see the updates on the production floor. Windchill provides associativity between engineering and manufacturing BOMs to continue the digital thread through the manufacturing process and into the physical product. Side-by-side BOM comparison provides a visual process to access the changes made. That virtual assessment can be extended into an augmented reality experience. AR Design Share can also be used to produce a complete, to-scale digital representation of the physical product. With AR Design Share, creating this experience becomes a natural part of the workflow. AR Design Share drives collaboration by removing the cost of stakeholders having to be physically present to review a design. In addition, these experiences can be leveraged by service and sales personnel, providing visual work instructions for service and a more complete customer experience when selecting options and accessories during the sales process. This video has provided a high-level overview of the essential functions of Windchill's PLM platform in a multi-CAD environment, but it doesn't stop there. By leveraging Windchill for multi-CAD management, the door is open for a complete PLM implementation, which will streamline your entire business process from one end of the product lifecycle to the other.